Welcome to how to remove Spotlight from Snapchat. In this video we are going to show you how to remove Spotlight from Snapchat. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So to remove a Spotlight from Snapchat, first of all you will open up your Snapchat application and then you will go into your profile. So the profile icon is right here on the top left. So just simply tap on it. And then if you scroll down here you can see that we have this option here where it says Spotlight and Snap Map, but we will basically tap on this option where it says view all snaps. So just simply tap on view all snaps, and then if then you have to open up that specific spotlight or snap that you want to remove. So in my case I will just remove this one here. So I will simply tap on this one, and then you can see that we have three dots here. So just simply tap on these three dots and then tap on delete snap from here. Simply tap on and then tap on delete, and now this spotlight has been removed from our account. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.